Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem extract the number from the string. The problem statement says that given a sentence containing several words and numbers, find the largest number among them which does not contain 9. If no such number exists, return -1. So for instance, if this is the string which is given to us, it contains two numbers which is 5057 and 97. Of these two numbers, 5057 is the valid number because 97 contains 9 in it, because of which we are returning 5057. In the second example, there isn't any valid number in it, because of which we are returning -1. So that's about the problem statement, folks. Now let us discuss the solution of this problem. So in order to solve this problem, what we are going to do is we are going to split the sentence on the basis of spaces, and then we will form an array, and now we are going to iterate on the array. So now we are iterating on the array which will contain words which will be either a number or a word. Now if the element is a numeric, which means it's a number, then we are checking whether the number does not contains 9. If it does not contains 9, then we are computing the maximum between answer and the current element, and the element has to be typecasted to integer. So that's what we did, and initial value of answer is -1, and then towards the end we are returning answer. So that's the Python solution, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our Python solution got accepted. Now let us look at C++ implementation of the same problem. In C++ implementation, I'm not using a split function or isNumeric function. So now let us see how we have implemented in C++ without using these two functions. So what we have done is we have taken a number num and initial value equals to 0, answer which is the answer which we want to return, and the initial value is -1. Then we have taken two boolean type variable which is has9 and isDigit. Has9 indicates whether the number contains 9 in it or not. If the value is false, that simply means the number does not contain 9 in it. If the value is true, that simply means the number contains 9 in it. And when we are iterating on this sentence, then we need to keep a tab on whether we are iterating on digit or we are iterating on words. And accordingly, we are going to set these flags as true or false. Now let us see the implementation. What we are doing is we are iterating on the sentence, and then we are checking whether the sentence is a number or not. So if the sentence is a number, or that particular character is a number, then the range will be between 0 to 9. If it is a number, then we are setting that this is a number, because of which isDigit has been set to true, and then we are checking whether it contains 9 in it or not. If it contains 9, then we are setting our has9 equals to true as well. And then we are forming the number, which can be formed in this way. Once we have formed the number, and let us say the next character which we are obtaining is not a number, in that case we will end up into the else block. Within else block, we are checking whether the previous block was a number or not. Remember, if the previous block has been a number, then isDigit should have been set to true, because we are setting isDigit to true if the previous number was a number. So now we are in the else block. Now within the else block, the first thing which we are setting is that we are setting isDigit to false, and we are checking the number we have formed so far has 9 in it or not. If it does not have 9 in it, then we are computing the maximum of answer and number, and then we are resetting our number equals to 0 and has9 flag equals to false, and then towards the end we will return answer. This is one corner case, folks. This is the case where the number is towards the end, because of which this else block will not be executed, because of which we have to separately handle this case. And this is a simple case where we are saying that the last character we have seen is a digit and it does not have a 9, then in that case we are computing the maximum of answer and number. So that's the C++ implementation, folks. Now let us submit our solution. So our C++ implementation also got accepted. That is all from this video, folks. In case if you have any question or comment regarding this video, please feel free to use the comment section and I'll try to address them. Thank you.